Arrange an inspection online. Details below. You must see this one before it's gone. Spacious 4-bedroom duplex has ensuite and walk-in robe to the master bedroom, built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans in all bedrooms. Separate lounge and dining areas and a large family room with air conditioning. Open-plan kitchen with stainless steel appliances including dishwasher, tiled throughout with carpet only in the bedrooms and separate lounge room. Single remote control garage with extra car space at the front. Neat and easy to maintain yards with a covered patio. If that isn't enough, this property is in walking distance to the Collingwood Park Woolworths Shopping Centre, public transport, school and parks, and just a short drive to Redbank Plaza and the train station. Please call the office to be placed on a list for viewings. Special terms: full water consumption. Pets on application. Photo ID required for all viewings. Please note, Reconnect is a preferred method of payment at First National Springfield. This should be considered before applying. All fees and conditions are available online at www.reconnect.com.au. Important: whilst every care is taken in the preparation of the information contained herein, First National Springfield will not be held liable for any errors in typing or information. All information is considered correct at the time of printing. Any interested parties should satisfy themselves in this respect. How to inspect this property? Arranging inspections is easy. Simply go to our website, www.springfield.com.au, and click the Book Inspection button. Then enter your details and choose an appointment time that suits you. Alternatively, you can access the appointment page by clicking the virtual tour link, which is located below this property's availability date. You will be instantly informed of any updates, changes or cancellations for your appointment. If no one registers for an appointment time, then that appointment may not proceed. So don't miss out. Book for an appointment today.